Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Satna for Social Science. Our today's topic is Industries in India. In this video, we will learn about what an industry is, the things needed by an industry, types of industries on the basis of size, the distribution of industries in India, the types of industries on the basis of raw materials used. We need a lot of things to lead a comfortable life. Many of these things are obtained from nature and are used directly by us. But there are many other things that we cannot use directly. These things need to be processed before use. For example, we cannot use cotton directly. Cotton needs to be processed to make cloth. The places where these natural resources are converted into usable forms are known as industries. Things needed by an industry. An industry needs a lot of things to produce useful items. For example, raw material, machines, power, workforce, money, and transport. Raw materials like iron ore are needed to produce steel and sugarcane is needed to produce sugar. Machines are required to turn raw materials into finished goods. Power is required to run machines. Power is obtained from electricity, coal, gas, oil, etc. Workforce like managers, engineers, workers are needed to run the industry. Money is required to buy land and machines and to pay salary to workers. Transport is also required to ensure a regular supply of raw materials to the industry and then finished goods to the market. Types of industries on the basis of size. Industries can be classified on the basis of their size, which includes the number of employees and kinds of machines and tools used. We have three categories of industries on the basis of size: cottage industries, small-scale industries, and large-scale industries. Cottage industries. Very small industries that people generally set up in their homes are known as cottage industries. A few people, generally the members of a family, are employed and only a few simple tools are used. Raw materials required are found near these industries. Examples of cottage industries are toy making, handicrafts, basket making, floor grinding, etc. Small-scale industries. A small-scale industry is bigger than a cottage industry. The number of people employed is more than that of a cottage industry. Here, small machines are used to produce consumable goods. The factories producing garments, automobile parts, hosiery goods, plastic goods, furniture, utensils, electrical appliances, leather goods, etc. are included in small-scale industries. Large-scale industries. A large-scale industry employs a large number of people, those who are skilled as well as unskilled. Big machines are used to turn raw materials into finished goods. The production of finished goods is also on a large scale. Iron and steel industry, textile industry, refineries, automobile industry, cement industry, etc. are some examples of large-scale industries. Now let us know about the distribution of industries in India. Cotton textile. Some of the areas where cotton textiles are located are Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Sholapur, Chennai, etc. Women textiles are located in Mumbai, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Jamnagar, etc. Silk textiles are located in Bangalore, Mysuru, Kanchipuram, Varanasi, Murshidabad, Srinagar, Salkuchi. Jute products are available in Kolkata and both sides of Hooghly River. Vegetable oil in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Delhi, etc. Iron and steel in Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bhilai, Rourkela, Bokaro, Bhadravati. Shipbuilding in Mumbai, Panji, Kochi, Vishakhapatnam. Aircraft in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Nasik, Lucknow. Automobiles in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Gurugram, etc. Electronic goods in Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad, Lucknow. Cement industries in Roopnagar, Bundi, Jamnagar, Dalmia Nagar, Sindri, Chandrapur, Karimnagar, etc. Chemicals industries in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Ranchi, etc. Fertilizers industries in Nangal, Panipat, Gorakhpur, Namrup, Sindri, Barnoi, etc. The distribution of industries is highly uneven in India. They tend to concentrate near the sources of raw materials, power, and better transport facilities. Types of industries on the basis of raw materials used. Industries can also be classified on the basis of raw materials used. On this basis, these are agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, and forest-based industries. Agro-based industries. India has all types of industries. Industries which use agricultural products as raw materials are called agro-based industries. For example, cotton textiles, woolen textiles, silk textiles, sugar and vegetable oil. Mineral-based industries. Industries which use minerals as raw materials are called mineral-based industries, like iron and steel industry, automobile industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry, etc. Forest-based industries. Industries which use forest products as raw material are called forest-based industries. Paper industry, medicine industry, timber industry, etc. are forest-based industries.